Best wireless home security cameras. While the world of mechanical keyboards excites typists and gamers for their tactile feedback and customization, the demand for wireless home security cameras is rising fast among homeowners. Shoppers want devices that offer smart features, crisp image quality, easy installation. List 1. Blink Outdoor 4 newest model, wireless smart security camera. The Blink Outdoor 4 is a powerful, compact solution for outdoor security, offering 2-year battery life. This camera is made for homeowners who want long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. Its 1080p HD live view delivers clear visuals day or night, while two-way audio lets you talk to visitors or ward off intruders in real time. Motion detection is customizable, reducing false alerts and improving efficiency. It also integrates seamlessly with Alexa, letting you control it hands-free. The compact design is weather-resistant. List 9. AOSU Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor Home System. True 2K HD Night Vision. The AOSU 2K wireless security system brings stunning clarity and dependable performance to your home protection setup. With true 2K HD resolution, every detail, from license plates to facial features, is captured with exceptional sharpness. It comes as a complete system, ideal for covering multiple areas like driveways, yards, and entry points. What sets AOSU apart is its advanced night vision and AI-powered motion detection. List 3. BOTSLAB Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor 4Cam Kit 4K Color Night Vision. For users who want next-level video quality, the BOTSLAB 4K Wireless Outdoor Camera Kit is a standout. Featuring ultra-clear 4K resolution with color night vision, this kit ensures top-tier image clarity even in total darkness. It includes 4 cameras, covering every critical angle around your home, and supports Wi-Fi connectivity for simple installation. Smart features include AI detection for people. List number. AOSU Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor 2-minute DIY installation. The AOSU Solar Security Camera combines convenience with clean energy. Its standout feature is the built-in solar panel, which keeps the battery charged using sunlight, making it a true maintenance-free solution. Installation is impressively simple. Just 2 screws and you're done in 2 minutes. It delivers clear 2K resolution, effective color night vision, and smart motion detection that distinguishes between people and objects. The camera stores footage locally on a 32 GB built-in memory. List 9. AOSU 2K Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor Color Night Vision. That AOSU 2K wireless security camera brings together high-resolution imaging and smart features at a wallet-friendly price point. With 2K ultra-clear video and enhanced color night vision, it ensures your property is well monitored even after dark. The AI-powered motion detection reduces false alerts and accurately notifies you of human presence. Built-in two-way audio lets you speak directly to visitors or warn off potential threats. The battery-operated design makes it wireless and easy to mount, with weatherproofing for outdoor durability.